model, 2019 Renault Master Lm35 Business 2.3 DCI starts and runs but bottom end is knocking. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 112,956. Engine, 2298 cc M9T DCI 130E6. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts with a bump start. Runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Starter motor needs replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, sat nav, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6.